Hello YouTube, I want to show you my new pocket knife. At first I thought it came with two tools, the knife itself and the bottle opener if I can get it open.
You cracked me up.
And then I found that there were tweezers, and then I found out there was a toothpick, and then I realized there's another tool in there, and then I just found big surprise.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I just found a freaking saw in there.
Did you cut yourself with the knife?
No. Like, seriously. I just found a freaking saw in this trainer's knife. And that is very sharp.
Show them what it says on your new knife.
It says, Merry Christmas, Carson loves Santa. I mean, it's backwards, but
What is?
the knife, but whatever. Okay, so this is my first pocket knife.
Very exciting.
I read a knife out of knife.
I was excited to get this because I've always wanted one. And the tweezers go back, and the toothpick goes back. Oh, wrong one. You gotta close the tweezers and put it back in. And then you put the toothpick in. Okay, bye, YouTube.